Now that you've purchased your vinyl product, we're here to help you apply it. All you need is the vinyl and the surface you plan to place on your vinyl. First, the area you will attach the vinyl to must be free of dust and particles and must be completely dry. Once you have your surface ready, place the vinyl face down on a table with the glossy backing towards you. Begin by rubbing the glossy side with your hand. Your goal is to push the vinyl onto the transparent tape, slowly peeling it from the glossy backing. Be sure the vinyl stays on the transparent tape. Carefully use your fingers to redirect as needed. Here's the part you want to be extra careful, because once the vinyl is stuck, it can be almost impossible to move.
Oh man!
Holding the sides of the transparent tape, cautiously align the vinyl above the surface. Don't let it touch the surface until you are ready. Once aligned, place the vinyl onto its surface, pressing on each letter to encourage it to stick to the surface. Now carefully peel the transparent tape away from the surface, just as we did before. Again, be sure to pause and correct misplaced vinyl before continuing with the remaining vinyl. And finally, use your fingers to smooth out any bubbles or flaws. Now you're done, and you can enjoy hours of fun with your new vinyl item.